Hey there, entrepreneurs and dream chasers. Are you ready to elevate your business to the next level? In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. It's the backbone of modern business success. It's not just about having a website. It's about having a website that is fast, secure, and easy to manage. A website that works for you, not against you. That's where CloudStick comes in. Our platform is designed to make your life easier. CloudStick is a game changer for businesses, especially those with extensive web app hosting needs. Say goodbye to complicated hosting solutions and hello to a seamless, stress-free experience. Ready to unlock the power of the cloud? Let's dive into the CloudStick business plan and transform your digital presence today. CloudStick business plan is your all-access pass to a world of website management bliss. Getting started with CloudStick's business plan is simple. Here's how. Log into your CloudStick account. Navigate to the business setup option located in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Open business plan settings and enter your brand name. Paste the logo URLs. Click Update to apply the changes. Your brand data is now seamlessly integrated with CloudStick, ready to revolutionize website management. With the business plan, CloudStick redefines website management through white label solutions. To deploying white label solutions, navigate to your CloudStick dashboard. Select the server where you wish to deploy white label. Click Website, then choose Create Website. Navigate to white label and select it. Fill in the required fields and click Add Web Application. The white label application is now deployed. This is the global white label URL for all users under your business account server. All users on your server can log in with their unique credentials to access the white label platform and manage their websites seamlessly. White Label simplifies website management with its powerful features designed to save time, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency. Here are the main menus in the White Label dashboard. Email. You can create email accounts and enable webmail. File Manager. Upload files and manage folders and files seamlessly. WordPress Manager. Simplify WordPress installations and update. In WordPress Manager, you can see the magic link, which streamlines the login process securely. Database, create and manage databases. Domains, handle domains and subdomains effortlessly. Security, manage SSL, TLS certificates for a secure website. And web server log. Monitor activity using the web server log. Additionally, some key features are also highlighted here. Thank you for exploring the CloudStick business plan demo. With cutting-edge features like white label solutions and comprehensive management tools, CloudStick empowers businesses to achieve unparalleled efficiency and growth. Start your journey with CloudStick today.